What's going on YouTube? This is Mr. Sports Pack here with another video. Today we got the Boombox Platinum Basketball for the month of October. If you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button, hit the like and comment. Let's get started. So, like I said, we got Platinum Basketball for October. The cost of this is about $140 on the original Boombox.com website. The details will be in the description. There's also mid-end and elite. Mid-end is usually $90. Elite is the pricier one. Not sure off the top of my head, but yeah, that's the pricier one. Then comes platinum, then comes mid-end. So let's see if we could do better from the month of September. So for this month, we got 2020-2021 Optic first off the line, 2018-2019 Hoops Hobby, 2023-2024 Optic Hobby, and 2024-2025 Bowman Chrome Uni Hobby. Like I said, you can purchase this product off the website, the original Boombox.com. So let's see what we got. And of course, with each purchase, we get a magnetic card holder. This month we got the 35-point card holder. So, yep. Alright, so first up we got NBA Hoops 2021-2022, NBA Hoops 2024-2025, Hoops 2018-2019, Optic Donruss 2024-2025. We got Bowman U 2024-2025 and Optic Donruss 2020-2021. So I'm gonna start off with Optic. Well, do Hoops. Alright, do it like this. First up, we're going to start with 2020-2021 Donruss Optic with John a cover. 4 cards per pack. Let's see what we could get from this pack. I believe the NBA season starts in about 10 days, I believe. I want to say. Preseason already started, so excited for the NBA season. So first up, we got Karl Anthony Towns, DeMar DeRozan, Andre Drummond, and All-Stars Jason Tatum. Jason Tatum All-Stars. Not bad. Next up, we got 2018-2019 NBA Hoops. 8 cards in the Trading pack. In the comments, let me know if you have any early predictions on who will be going to the NBA Finals. For me, I'm not too sure who will be. Well, the East, I want to say, is up in the air because Cleveland is still pretty good. You still got Boston, you got Chicago. The Knicks, of course. In the West, same old same. OKC, Denver. So, yeah, Minnesota probably, you know. So, let me know in the comments what you think. First up, we got Gary Harris. Next up, we got Kelly Oubre. We got OG and Anobi. Next up, we got Mario Higzonja. I don't know if I said that right, but Mario. NBA City, we got Blake Griffin. Okay. Klay Thompson. Rudy Gay. And lastly, we got the rookie Miles Bridges. Alright. Next up, we're going to go into NBA Hoops 2021-2022. First up, we got Jeremy Grant, DeAndre Jordan, Goran Dragic, Eric Bledsoe, Rui Hachimura, Joe Ingles. We got Jeff Green Purple. And the rookie Jeremiah Robinson. Nothing big so far. Next up, we got 2024-2025 NBA Hoops. First up, we got D'Angelo Russell. We got the rookie Nikola Topic, Mitchell Robinson, Nikola Jokic. We got Jordan Clarkson, Shaden Sharp, Hoopla, Victor Wembanyama, Look for the Spurs to do something big also. Forgot about them. And lastly, we got Robert Williams III Chrome. Alright. Next up, we got 2024-2025 Bowman U. Another team in the West, I forgot. Dallas Mavericks with Cooper, AD, Kyrie back, got Clay, a few others. So here we got Simeon Wilcher, Diamond Johnson, Cooper Flag Refractor, Cooper Flag Refractor. I was just talking about the Dallas Mavericks and his Cooper Flag Refractor. Wow. This is a nice card right here. Definitely big card. And then lastly, we got Layden Blocker. Down to that last pack. Donruss Optic 2024-2025. First up, we got Torian Prince. Keldon Johnson. France Wagner Silver. And lastly, we got the rookie Jamal Sheed, rated rookie. Again, if you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow. Currently, I believe we had 29 subscribers. Let's get to 100 by the end of the year. So just like and comment on what you like from the video or what you want to see next. Once again, I'm Mr. Sports Pack, and I'm out until the next time. Peace.